In this video, we are going to discuss about the intraday stocks for 24th December 2021 and the day would be Friday. Now in yesterday's video, I clearly said that if Nifty opens with a gap up, then it is going to get stuck in a range with 17,150 and 16,950 between this range. And you can see that is exactly what has happened. It took 17,000 as support and it made a high of 17,118. So the range was 17,000 to 17,118. So that exactly what has happened. And we said that if you sell call and put together, then it is going to give a good profit. And that's what happened today exactly. Now in Telegram channel, we did our in every week I take a trade and I share with everyone. So this week I took this trade. I sold Bank Nifty 35,000 call and Bank Nifty 35,000 put and bought two hedges. And I also mentioned the price. This was yesterday. Yesterday at 3:06 p.m. I took the trade and I posted it. And people have also taken the trade along with me. And today I exited. I said at 2:12 p.m. exit, and then the result was 5755. So in two lots, we made a profit of about 5,755, or about 2.8k per lot we made. And this is one document where we are keeping the record. So I updated this, and if I show you, then you will see this is the sheet. So if I show you, you will see that we started this from last 3 weeks, and from there we are consecutively making profit. 1628, 3130, 2877, and the margin required is approximately 65,000 is the highest margin that was needed. So in total, we made a profit of about 7635 in just 3 weeks with a capital of 65,000. In order to join this CSS SMR Premium, there is also another Telegram channel, a stock market ritual, where I post all the things in the market, whatever I see. But there's an exclusive group, Stock Market Premium, SMR Premium. In this group, I only post with for the premium members. Now, in order to become a premium member, you don't have to pay a huge money or something like that. All you have to do is all you need to do is click the link in the description where it says open an account in Upstocks with us. You need to open an account in Upstocks with our referral, and we will be added to the Telegram group SMR Premium. It is absolutely free, and I post all these things every now and then. And since last 3 weeks, we are continuing these expiry trades, and we'll continue it for long. So let's look at Nifty now. Now this is going to be the range now, which is doji. So 17,200 is going to act as resistance, and any move towards 17,200 will give some sell off. But if 17,200 is crossed and sustained, then we can see 17,450 level again. But in a broader range, 17,000 to 17,450 is going to be the range from now on. So this is going to be the broader range of Nifty. Now in 1 hour chart also you can see the same thing, and this is a wider range, and today it was totally range bound, and that's what expiries option sellers make money. So 17,000 to 17,450 is going to be the range on this side also, and 17,120, 17,150, 17,300, 200, this level is going to act as resistance. So now if tomorrow Nifty opens flat between 17,000, 14, 7,080, this 40-50 point range, if Nifty opens flat, then chances are that it will try to go up and break the 17,120 level. Now this level has been tested multiple times. Now from here it fell, then it rested here. And the third time it may break if it gets that momentum on the upside. So above 17,120 we can buy, and 17,200 would be our target on the upside. Now if it opens with a big gap up, then chances are that it is going to be volatile within this range until and unless it gives a breakup after sustaining. And if it opens gap down, now before it I say about gap down, you can see that this zone is a support zone now. So if it opens gap down, it may face support in this area and be volatile within this range, and finally may close somewhere within this range itself. So Nifty is looking in a consolidation mode or positive to range bound mode from here. Now let's look at Bank Nifty. Now Bank Nifty is trying to go up. You can see that from here every day it has made a higher high and higher low, but at the end of the day we see some sell off, and today it has crossed the gap down high and but couldn't close above it. So this window is still acting as a resistance. So until and unless this 35,500 is broken and sustained, we will see some negativity in Bank Nifty. And you can see that it was also clearly range bound, but at the end of last hours we see some sell off in Bank Nifty. So tomorrow after this sell off, if Bank Nifty opens flat, or if it opens anywhere between this 70-80 point range, then it will come down for selling again, and 34,900 could be the, or 34,800 levels could be seen again. But if it opens with some gap up, then this could act as support, and then it could slowly go up, and 35,300 level will act as resistance, and if it's broken then 35,500 level could be achieved again. But 35,500 level needs to be broken decisively for Bank Nifty to go further higher up. But tomorrow Bank Nifty is also looking range bound, and if it opens gap down then it will come down for selling. If it opens flat, then also it will come down for selling some extent. But if it opens 3-point gap up, then only we can see some positive move on the upside. So there is not much trending to be seen even tomorrow. So let's look at the stocks now. The first stock is Infosys. Now you can see after being volatile, it has crossed this resistance. Now it has made kind of a W pattern and been volatile in this range. Then it has been volatile in this range, and now finally given a breakout and sustain above this level. So if tomorrow Infosys trades above 1862, then we can buy, keeping a 7 to 8 point stop loss, and 1:2 will be our target on the upside. The exact levels will be provided on the Instagram tomorrow morning, and you can follow the link given in the description below for following the Instagram and for the levels. So the next stock is PFC. You can see it is a double bottom formation, though a lower low, but it's a double bottom formation. So, and it's a kind of a also a W pattern, and if this is broken, then we can see some further up move from here. And to reach this level, PFC has to cross and come up to this level. So that could be our target. Well, so if tomorrow PFC crosses 121 level, then we can buy, keeping 2-point stop loss, and 1:2 will be our target on the upside. The next stock is Divi's Lab. As you can see, being volatile, then it is continuously falling. With it made a halt candle and clearly making a lower low formation. So lower low formation. So the lower high is established here. Now it can break this low for a lower low. But even if it doesn't break a lower low, it can come further down before maybe going up. If DV slabs trades below 4470, then we will sell, keeping 8 to 10 point stop loss, and our target would be 1:2 on the downside. The next stock is Sun TV. You can see the same thing. From here, it fell sharply, established a lower high, and then established a lower low. Now it has went up and established a high. Now it could come down again, and this could be our target easily. If Sun TV trades below 500 tomorrow, then we can sell, keeping a 4 to 5 point as stop loss, and 1:2 will be our target on the downside. So that is for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching.